Monsi asks, how do I choose between only working or pursuing my higher education and working? It is always in my mind that I need to study more to grow myself, but I just don't get that affirmation that I should. Great, a very good question. I'm glad here, Monsi, because you are aware that studying will help you to grow in your career. Perfect. So there are 4 elements to this particular question what you have asked. Number 1 is that affirmation or that motivation is nowhere. It is within you, by you and for you. So see to it that that motivation is coming from you. If you are motivating others to study, others to grow in their career, why don't you motivate yourself to get into that particular environment of studying and growing yourself? So drive that motivation within you. Have that right mindset to take up that particular course online or offline. That is number 1. Second thing is, it is not very easy to take up a course when you are working. So any professional, any industry, people who are already working, if they want to take up a course, it is not just that easy. So maybe a 1-day, 2-day certification or workshop, that's fine. But 6 months program, 11 months program, or 1 year or 2-year program, it becomes very challenging for people, especially who are working. Now, let's understand that fact and accept the fact that it is not very easy and it is neither impossible to take up a course while you are working. There are many people who are doing it. So if they are doing, you can also do it. So what you can do is set up a right purpose statement. Why do you want to take up that job? Right? So because while you work, there is a lot of projects or assignments, meetings, deadlines after deadlines you have to meet, and there is a lot of stress, and at the same time you also have to take care of the work-life balance, meeting your friends, family, spending time together. So all of these things are there when you become a working professional. But at the same time, if you have taken up that time, that particular purpose statement, why do you want to take up that course, you will achieve that particular goal while you also work. So your taking up that course purpose can be having a promotion in your future, or maybe increment in the salary, or just to upgrade your knowledge, or maybe just to put that certification or the diploma program in your resume in the future, right? So what is the statement? So motivation is one, second is the statement. Purpose of statement should be very strong. Why do you want to pursue that particular course while you are working? The third thing is that you need to actually have a right time management skills. It becomes very difficult to manage online or offline course, whatever it is intense. Programs are intense nowadays. The technology has come up with a lot of advancement. The programs online also is as good as engaging as it is in the offline mode, right? So try to have that right time management with you. So whatever work you're going to do, please assign particular time and take up time for your studies also. Look up for something which is on the weekend or maybe on the weekdays also. Take up that 2 hours every day, or maybe 2 hours alternate days, whatever your course allows you. But at the end of the day, right time management has to be done, right? And the fourth most important point for your particular course, this question is that you were there doing your graduation program, right? And you landed up a job. Now what has happened is, this taking up a course is not really very much impacting your current job. Of course, you're going to grow in the job, that's fine. But when you intensely did that graduation program to land a particular job, to fetch an income source, right now, directly or indirectly, to take up that particular course has become an option. Earlier, it was without any option. It was a choice, mandatory choice to take up that particular graduation program to get that particular job what you are desiring for. But right now, promotions or maybe switching a job by educating yourself has become secondary. It has taken the back seat. So this is also which will make you take up that course a little bit in a slower pace, or maybe not motivating you to take up that particular course. So as I told you, right motivation mindset within you, from you. Second is, you should have a very nice time management policy with you. Third, have the strong purpose statement. Why do you want to take up this course? And fourth, It should not just be an option, it should be the choice that you want to take up the course. I hope this video must have helped you. If this video has helped you, please put it in the comment box. I can come up with other videos also in my series. Thank you very much. Bye for now.